Give me your wrist.
I really fucked up. I'm
You're
sorry.
okay.
Her adrenaline is probably
No, I'm so
pumping.
sorry. I'm not like this.
I'm sorry for you. Don't be sorry for me.
I just wasn't tired.
Hi, Squink here, former cop, future venomous snake milker, here to use my law enforcement experience to answer the question that everyone wants to know, which is, what the hell are the cops doing? And I'm gonna do that in today's video with whatever else pops up. Let's jump into it. Today's video comes from Code Blue Cam, how a woman's plan to get back at X ended in complete disaster. Never seen it, walking in blindly, here we go.
On the evening of September 12, 2024, a deputy responded to a residence in Leelanau County, Michigan, following a report of property damage classified as malicious destruction. The caller reported that his ex-wife, 41-year-old Jessica Perkins, had driven past his house several times throughout the day before pulling into his driveway, where she struck one of his fence posts.
Naturally.
While he did not wish to press charges, he expressed concern that she might be driving under the influence.
Or she's just a woman driving a car. Am I right? Or, guys, it's a joke, okay? Relax.
As the deputy spoke with the caller at his front door, Jessica drove up near the residence. The deputy quickly returned to his squad car, activated his emergency lights, and attempted a traffic stop. Although he briefly lost sight of her, he quickly relocated her on a nearby dead-end road and positioned his vehicle directly in front of hers.
Oh,
Hi.
what's going on today?
If you can manage it, it's generally ill-advised to place your patrol vehicle directly in front of a vehicle because someone can easily raise a gun and just start shooting you in the face. So, if you can avoid it, generally recommended for that reason.
Not much. I was literally trying to get a hold of my ex-husband, and he was like, leave, so I left.
Well, when you pulled in there, you hit a pole or something like that. You remember doing that?
Yeah, I got the whole back of my car.
Okay.
Why,
Where did you
though?
go after that?
I left and went to Veronica Valley.
Okay.
And sat there. I had to go to the bathroom, so.
Gotcha. Okay. Well, how much have you had to drink today?
We're not going to talk about that. I'm not going to tell you that.
Okay, well, where are you coming from?
Interesting.
Cleaning houses?
Yeah, that's why there's.
Well, you're obviously under the influence of something.
I've been smoking a lot of weed.
Okay, is that what you
Nice.
got in the vape there?
That one, no.
Okay.
I wouldn't do that right
No, that one
Okay.
is
Fucking dumb.
sucked clean.
Like, okay, so you know.
You and I just met, so...
No, I know, but you also know that my father is Ron Plumondon, and like literally.
I don't care,
Father-in-law?
sweetheart.
Yeah. Do you mind stepping out for me?
4511, I'm going to start 417th location.
You're afraid of that?
Yeah.
Why are you afraid? I'm a nice
I
guy.
don't know, you're scary, and you have like rings on your fingers, and
I got
Interesting.
rings on my fingers. I'm married.
that's scary. That's scary. No, you're gonna hit me with them.
No, I'm not going to hit you at all. Why would I need to hit
That's
you?
what guys do when they have rings on their fingers.
That doesn't make any sense.
Not to you.
Do you have an ID with you?
I have nothing.
Interesting.
I'm probably actually gonna make you chase me. I'm not
Oh,
gonna lie
good.
to you.
Okay.
Like,
Well,
nope, you're not doing that. Nope.
Go ahead and hop out of the vehicle then. Go ahead and hop out of the vehicle.
I'm not,
Smart of
You
him to
don't-
do
you don't
that,
tell me
honestly.
that you're going to cause a chase
No,
like that.
you're not telling me.
Smart of him
Go
to
ahead and
immediately
hop out
take
of-
control of the
hop out of the
situation.
Getting out.
Get
you
out.
literally just accused me of and are trying
Get
to
out of
hurt
the
me.
vehicle.
You got me f***ed up.
You're going to get out of the vehicle.
I'm not actually going to get.
My favorite is how she's like, you just accused me of shit. I didn't accuse you of anything. You told me everything I needed to know.
Leo 4517 is on.
With you. I'm actually going to drive away.
You got hands on.
She hit him.
She just drove into my vehicle.
Daddy, what's wrong with your car, Daddy?
Copy, just drove into your vehicle.
White Toyota sedan.
Jessica then continued to flee at speeds of 90 miles per hour, driving
Classic.
erratically while passing other vehicles.
Classic Jessica.
45817, are you in pursuit now?
In pursuit.
Give me a direction when you get it.
Going to be northbound.
Southbound towards Connor.
Forty-five 17, she just wrecked. Send EMS. Check that. She's recovered it. There's a vehicle south of Bingham. I don't know if she struck that.
Eventually, she failed to navigate a curve and destroyed her vehicle.
And now she's wrecked. We're north of Bingham on the curve. 641. Send EMS.
As he approached the vehicle, he observed that Jessica was unconscious
Wow.
and trapped inside.
Are you okay? Are you okay? Talk to me! Talk to me! Wheel 4517, we got entrapment.
Copy entrapment.
Yeah, I'm glad you weren't hit, sir. I gotta try to get her out of there.
Okay. Need any help or anything?
Potentially. I'll keep you on here as a witness. Why don't you pull your vehicle either just in front of mine or off further to the right so people can see the lights.
The guy goes,
Yeah, I'm right here.
the guy goes, do you know her dad?
Perkins, are you bleeding?
No.
Are you bleeding?
What's happening? I don't know. I'm
Okay, well, you're
sorry.
talking to me. That's a good thing.
Sorry, I was scared and I got scared. I don't want to go back to jail.
All right, ambulance is coming.
It's fine.
Ambulance.
Guys, just a word of advice. If you don't want to go back to jail and the cop has already like made contact with you, just don't run, because you're definitely going to go back to jail if you run, especially in a vehicle, and especially if you can't drive that vehicle very well.
Ambulance is coming.
Sorry. I'm so sorry.
You just keep talking to me.
I am
What hurts?
You're not a bad person.
Jessica, what hurts?
Thank you.
My mouth is fucking bleeding bad.
Your mouth is bleeding? Okay. I'm just waiting on the ambulance. She's talking to me. She's okay right now. Go ahead and you guys are good. Thank you. Just keep talking to me, okay?
Sorry, I didn't mean to
If enough people pulled over, they could probably push this vehicle over right side up.
do that to you.
Well, you do it to me. You did it to yourself.
I don't give a fuck if I die. Honestly, I don't care. My mom was a cop for Grand Traverse County for a long time, so thank God Civic is retired, because he would literally be on my.
All right. Hey, the biggest thing. What? I
Wow.
just want to get a look at you.
She's under there, man.
Feel anything? That's the
Okay.
weirdest thing. My left leg is moving, so I know I'm not paralyzed or anything.
All right.
True.
But I'm really.
How about you give me your
I
wrist,
really
all right?
fucked up.
Give me your wrist.
I really fucked up. I'm
You're
sorry.
okay. I'm
Her
gonna try and
adrenaline
take your
is
fault,
probably
No, I'm so
pumping.
sorry. I'm not like this.
I'm sorry for you. Don't be sorry for me.
I just wanted to die and I didn't care.
Is there anyone else in the car?
No,
Jessica.
I would never have driven like that if somebody else was in the car.
Well, the ambulance is gonna be here in just a little bit.
I should have just got out when you tried to get me out the first time, and then I got scared and I ran.
I know.
Like I was gonna be a bitch. Can you get Morgovich for me?
People's fear oftentimes takes control of the situation, and it usually results badly. It usually results in something that wouldn't have happened had they just listened the first time. And it's really unfortunate to see that, but you see it a lot. We see it a lot in all of these videos where fear takes control and things end badly. You gotta rise above your fears, conquer those fears. Anyway,
He's not working right now.
But if you tell him that it's me and he went through the academy with my mother, I promise you he's gonna come here if he finds out that I did this and did this to you guys.
While speaking with her, she suddenly lost consciousness once more.
You'll be okay, okay?
you could see her hand go limp.
Hey, Angela? Hello? Miss Perkins? Perkins? We gotta get her out of there. She might have just lost consciousness. You want me to bust that? Yep. Okay.
Glasses down.
Copy.
What's that?
Glasses down.
Okay.
That's a nifty tool.
You don't want him coming through. You do not want him coming through. Nope. You do not want him coming through.
Who is that shirtless and
Hey,
shoeless
talk to me.
man?
Talk to me.
You want something on the backside, Jimmy, to support the car?
I mean, if Bruce can get it stable.
Can you make it stable?
Jessica.
Jessica, look at me. Hey, right here.
You good for a second, Mary? She's talking to him. I will not be home anytime soon. Okay.
The joys of being a cop.
Just coming up that curve.
Yeah.
Were you chasing her?
Yeah.
Okay. And
Sure was.
Was going right at me.
Yep.
She saw it, but she actually
She almost took
defensively.
you out.
Pretty close. And then she just.
She tried to correct from taking you out. Is that what?
Yeah.
That makes sense.
You saw it.
Yeah.
She launched and she hit that ditch. How long were you chasing?
2 minutes.
I figured probably close to 100 miles an hour.
She was probably about 90, yeah. All right, very good, sir. Thank you for stopping.
Yeah, well,
Yep.
hopefully some-
Sir, we're glad
Mary, while
that
they're on this, can I
very glad she swerved out of the way, because you would be like a bug on the windshield.
get you on photographs. Let's take some good ones from both ways.
And there you can see where she hit the guardrail.
Follow the tracks. I don't know if she hit the guardrail. Okay.
Oh, I don't know this.
What are you doing?
I don't feel good.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't feel good all of a sudden.
We're-
What's wrong?
he's-
I was fine.
Yep.
You know how fast she was going?
About 90.
90.
Probably lost consciousness for about 5 minutes.
Sorry.
Yep. Is your ID in the car?
Probably grab my purse.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna.
Yep.
You all going? Yep.
Hey.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm cut up in a few areas, but
You
so
need any medical attention?
I think it's just a scratch.
How did you get that from her, like fighting with you, or? Yeah.
No,
Just from
I think breaking through the glass.
station. Okay. Sorry, boss. Do you have like a name or anything?
Jessica Perkins.
Jessica Perkins.
Jessica was
Jessica.
subsequently taken to the hospital to treat her injuries and undergo a legal blood draw, which later revealed a blood alcohol concentration of 0.234.
Whoa! Just for context, the legal limit is 0.08, so 8, 16, 24, almost 3 times over the legal limit. And if she's been smoking a lot of weed or whatever she said, that's gonna enhance everything. So, you know, I'm kind of just not surprised it ended the way it did.
Good.
Yeah, I think so. I got little shards of glass, but I'll just wash it off. Run to the house and wash it off.
For what it's worth, she smelled like booze.
Yeah, she was under the influence of something. Hardly any damage, just marks from her ramming it.
Yeah.
My window pop did not work. My cute little window pop. Son of a biscuit.
Got it.
The most wholesome
more.
cop ever.
You know you're human. You got blood in you.
Thank you, tow truck driver. Appreciate it.
I know. I'm like, he shouldn't have gone looking for her.
Well, I stopped in there, and then the RP's like, there she goes right there. Front, nose to nose. Doesn't look like she busted it up. Just scuffs. Ouch. I still am finding glass in my fingers. Doesn't look too bad, Chris. I thought it'd be a lot worse. Well, there was a cyclist that was headed northbound, and she corrected because he was there. She almost took him out.
You got some gas cams, do you?
No, I have camera here. I wonder
No
if
dash
anybody
cam.
took
Interesting.
any larcenies recently, because there's just a ton of jewelry in here. I'm not seeing a wallet or anything. There's a ton of jewelry in here. It could be just her
Interesting.
selling it, but
Or she sells them online.
Jewelry by
Cleaning
Jessica.
supplies back here. As long as there's no ID in there. Just more jewelry. Came in sideways right here. I mean, these are pieces of her car, so
So would she have been
She-
airborne, you think?
that's got to be first impact here. You think that's first impact on into the rocks?
That would make sense with the marks.
Front end here, and then she gets turned like this. Front end this way. We're just playing at this point.
Oh, okay. I didn't know if you guys were doing cop shit or not.
All right, yeah, I think I'm good.
Always
Thank you.
doing cop shit, my man.
Yeah, thank you.
What is worth I'm on the traffic.
Tools.
How the hell did you see that?
I don't know. I
Cop
don't know who else
senses.
has random tools up there. I mean, I don't know. I assume it's probably flew out of the trunk.
You need to put it in there. If it's not hers, she'll just sell it and pawn it and get money out of it.
This is a bunch of tools.
Alright.
Case closed. All right, Chris, I'm gonna head for the office.
Wow. Interesting.
As a result, Jessica was charged with felony, operating while intoxicated,
Third offense. Wow.
destruction of police property, fleeing eluding an officer, assaulting a police officer, and habitual offender. About
Jeez,
5 months
man.
later, Jessica pleaded guilty of operating while intoxicated and fleeing eluding an officer. The remaining charges were dismissed. She was
course.
ultimately sentenced to a prison term of 2 to 5 years and ordered to pay more than $1,500 in restitution for the damage caused to the deputy's patrol vehicle.
Alright, this one's pretty clear cut. I think the officer did a great job. One thing I wanted to note was he didn't try to get in the vehicle and prevent her from running away like we've seen in past videos. That never ends well, ever. So kudos to him for not making that decision. Lots of officers let their adrenaline get the best of them, and that predator-prey mentality takes over, and they try to stop the inevitable from happening. and it just doesn't work out, ever. He was the most wholesome cop ever. He's a cutie pie, used very PG language, which is great for a YouTube video. He was understanding with her in the beginning, and she just couldn't be reasoned with, and she decided to do what she did, and ultimately she paid the price, not only in injuries, but also a 2 to 5 year prison sentence. I don't know what else the cop could have done to do anything better, and for that reason, I give him an A+. We just hit 800 subscribers. I can't wait for one of you to just go, I'm gonna screw that up, unsubscribe. But I just want to say thank you. Oh, there's a spider running down the wall. Anyway, I just want to thank you all for being here, for coming to these videos, watching them every single day. I hope you're not too annoyed by my analysis. Lots of people will comment and go, you talk too much. I'm just doing what I do, you know? I just do the videos and, you know, I just do the videos. So for all of you that enjoy them, I appreciate you immensely. I can't wait to continue growing with you, and I will see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video. Bye.